Apparently you're up next.
Okay. I'm with it.
What's up, Demy fam? And today is Monday, and there is 3 days left till my birthday, so I'm so excited! I can't wait till my party, but also my anxiety is making me nervous because of how many people I'm inviting. I just realized how much I invited. I was like, like, I'm excited, but I hate being the center of attention, but you know, I'm excited. Like, there's gonna be a lot of new people this year that were there last year, and I'm just so excited. Yesterday we went to the beach. Who's calling me? Savannah's calling me. I'll talk to you guys later. No, they're on a little corner all by themselves. Oh wow, I thought you got up to see the babies.
I will turn on the TV first.
What?
Nothing.
What? What? Okay, I have absolutely no idea what I was talking about before. I think I was talking about yesterday. I don't even know. Or what was I talking about? Well, I'm just gonna talk about how the day of my party is the only day of the week that it has to thunderstorm. Like, I've been planning this party for 3 weeks, or ever since May or June or whatever. I was talking about it ever since then, and I've been planning it for 3 weeks, and yeah, it's gonna thunderstorm on my birthday party, and I'm like, this is the time where I get to see all of my friends, because all of them are going so far, so, and it has to rain. Are you serious? I'm gonna cry, and my freaking throat hurts. I don't know why. Yesterday I went swimming in freaking cold water, so that's probably why. But you know, it's gonna rain, so now I'm kind of not regretting swimming yesterday, because like Sunday I have no idea what's gonna happen. Are we gonna be able to swim or whatever? But you know, I'm gonna cry if it literally ruined the day, because like I was so excited. I was gonna see my friend Ari probably, and it's been since June or whatever day we went skating, since I seen her last, and I didn't see her. Like, she pisses me off a lot, but like, she's my best friend, and like, she got her phone taken away and her Chromebook taken away, and so now I can't talk to her. Like, I'm happy that she got taken away so she could stop hitting on freaking Dylan. I'm so tired of them getting back together. I found out on Sunday that she was the one asking him out. Like, really? You've been freaking lying to us and saying, I promise I will never do it again. Like, when I see her, I'm gonna ignore her the whole time, because you gotta realize, okay, if you're gonna put guys before your friends, you gotta realize your friends are not gonna always be there for you if you're not gonna put us before them, cause bros before hoes, man. And you put your freaking guy relationship before us. Like, this guy, he's only gonna be with you for a short while, cause trust me, relationships don't last all the time. And friends don't always last, but true friends are forever. And if you're willing to give that up, then you're willing to give up all your friends, because that's how you are. Like, we are your true friends, and we promise not to leave you unless you break our trust and think that we're gonna be here forever if that's how you treat a friend. Like, she doesn't realize that we're not gonna stay here forever if she's gonna treat us that way. Like, I was so close to leaving her, but like I said before, if I'm gonna forgive Dylan, I have to forgive Ari. Like, Ari was the one that I was most mad at, because like, she tells us what we want to hear, but she doesn't really mean it. Like, Dylan, he actually means it, cause like, I know, because Ari, she says sorry right away, and Dylan's like, and he's like, I'm so sorry. And I just hate that, so like, I'm just gonna ignore her at my party or whatever. Or I'm just gonna let her know that that's wrong, even though I told her countless times that it is wrong. But yeah, I'm still happy that she's going to my party, and I'm still happy that I'm probably going to see her if she does go. But I'm just pissed at what she did. But I really do hope she does go, because it would be nice to see her again, and I really do want everyone to go. Like, it makes my social anxiety go up to be with lots of people, or just like one person that I'm not really close to. Like, Lindsay I feel the most comfortable with, because like, we've been friends for 2 years now, but like, if I don't see a person for a while, I'm gonna be sorry if I'm awkward. It's just my social anxiety, but you know. My anxiety is gonna go up at my party because I hate being the center of attention, but you know, whatever, because I'm gonna make sure I'm super hyper that day, because usually when I'm with a lot of people I get hyper and I completely forget that I have social anxiety sometimes. Like when we went skating, I totally wasn't nervous at all. Because certain people make me hyper because they're also hyper. And when I hang out with someone that's hyper, I get hyper. And I like it when I'm hyper, because then I forget that, yeah, I have social anxiety. It's like, it makes me less nervous and more comfortable, because that's just who I am. That's my personality. Like, I'm crazy. I can be crazy. I can be hyper and loud sometimes when I want to. But sometimes, like, when a person talks too much about something that I don't really care about, or if it's, like, wrong, like, kill me now, or can I please go home? Like, because I know they're waiting for me to say that as much as they did. But really, I don't like being dramatic sometimes. I don't like talking that much about a certain subject. Like, I know I can be boring sometimes, I know. But I don't really have that much drama in my life to be that dramatic. Like, when I do have drama, people don't really care, so I don't really tell them. Like, it's the same news over again with the drama that I do have, so I just stop talking about it, and there's nothing really going on in my life. And I don't really do anything, because from school, that's all I have, school. and school's not good. I suck. Like, I'm good at grades, but I suck at talking to people. Because my friends sorry. And, like, I do sports, like cheer. I know it's considered not a sport, but at least I do something other than study or whatever, talk. Most people just go to school and talk and whatever. At least I actually do something. I know cheer is not like that big of a deal at the school, but like, I'm still proud to be in it. I'm not gonna join football season because like I had some embarrassing moments and I'd rather just do basketball season because it's like a lot easier. And I need a break anyway this year because like, I had a bad time last year and I was even thinking about not joining again this year, but I wanted to do something other than schoolwork. So yeah. And I want to do soccer for sure this year. I was going to do it last year, but freaking Corona was ruining it. Like, I was doing rap and like, my anxiety. Like, I was joining with Ari, and then she just left me in a weight room, and I freaking had to pay this tag, and no one cares. I hate my social anxiety, but you know, it's whatever. And I didn't really want to do track because I hate running, but I want to do soccer because even though they still do run, at least the whole thing is not about running. So yeah, that's why I didn't want to join track in the first place. But it would have been nice to say that I did it, but like I wanted to do soccer. And I knew if I did track, I wouldn't be able to do soccer. So that's why I dropped out and I was going to do soccer. No friend that was supposed to join me didn't want to join me anymore and I was going to go along with it or whatever. I want to join this year, so I say I did something. And I want to try it because I never done soccer except when I was a little kid, and it wasn't even an actual team. We were just playing soccer. Like I never actually been on a team, so yeah, I want to do soccer and cheer. So yeah, I don't even know how I got to that topic. See? So yeah, excited for my party. Gonna be depressed if the rain freaking ruins it. And yeah, that's all my updates for today. Yeah. Oh guys, my present came in the mail. I'm gonna open it. And if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe.